Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Zesuti professional hair clippers for men with beard trimmer set. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The Zesuti cordless hair clippers and trimmer set are perfectly matched to create any hairstyle you want. Advanced classic color matching. The special hair cutting kit attachments are great to make those special cuts that make the haircut unique. They help to make a good haircut, perfect for beginners and professionals. This hair clipper with 2 adjustable speeds, 6000/7000 RPM. Our hair cutting kit have an innovative adjustable speed that has been specially developed to meet your different hairstyle needs and to deal with different hair types, born for you. Our hair clippers for men is equipped with a high-performance motor, make the hair clippers faster and more smooth, quiet when cutting hair. The hair cutting kit allows for 150 minutes of use after 3 hours of charging. The T-blade trimmer can be used for 70 minutes after 3 hours of charging. The clippers can show clearly the remaining battery percentage, speed, oil reminder, and charging reminder. Because of the more advanced smart display, the condition of the hair clipper is obviously 5-second child lock function to prevent automatic start, so it is more convenient to use. The clippers for men come with a portable storage box. You needn't to buy additional storage case when you need trim. You can find it quickly instead of looking for a long time or missing accessories, and the small and compact design makes it easy to carry, perfect for travel. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.